Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys on how to make roleplay account on Facebook without your phone number or email. But before that, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you're new here. Thank you so much. So let's get started. So first, go to Chrome if your phone is Android. If your phone is iPhone, go to Safari. If you're done, click this search bar button and search this. Now click this. Then click this. Now put your RP account name you want. If you're done, click this next button. Now set the birthday of your RPW account you want. If you're done, click next button. Then choose your RPW account gender you want. Then click the next button if you're done. Now click this. So in this, make a new tab and click this search bar button. Then search this. Now click this. If you're done to click, go back to Facebook tab. Now long press this and click paste. Then click this next button. Now put your RP account Facebook password. Then click next. Now go back to 10 minutes tab. Scroll down and find refresh button. Then click it. If you're done to click, scroll down again and find your code in this. Memorize your code. So if you're done to memorize, go back to Facebook tab. Then click this and put the code you memorize. Then click this next if you're done. Now click this. So you're now done to create a RP account. So that's for all in this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Subscribe.